So in this session we'll see how to fix Oracle not available Aura 01034. So let's try connecting your machine with system user. I'm trying to connect with the system user and I received the error Aura 01034 Oracle not available, and also Aura 27101 shared memory ream does not exist. So let's see what kind of situations we may come across and what reason behind it and how to fix it. Let's currently check with SID what SID we are going to connect with. We are trying to connect prod instance, the instance name SID with prod. Ensure that this prod instance available or not. Whether are we connecting to the right instance? We can verify from Aura tab. From Aura tab file we can find out whether instance exists. We can find the entry available and the Oracle home path is perfect. We can verify even the Oracle home path. It's the same Oracle home path and instance name is prod, SID is prod, configured as per the Aura tab entry. Also verify whether instance up and running. Okay, we got to know the instance name is prod, but is that instance up and running? Only the PTS process, the command process we have, there is no instance up and running. So the instance is not up in this box. Could be the reason there is a maintenance or someone shut down, some reason. Verify is there any change happening, any service request is going on or any change plan. What reason behind that? Also you can check from alert log file. Was it graceful shutdown or terminated by any background process or someone killed it? So let's move on to the DAG location. The DAG location under Oracle base RDBMS, database prod and instance name and prod. So we are in trace location. Now read the alert log file. Using tail command we can read the alert log file if any errors are there. The process terminated. So there is a termination. So the instance got shut down. 1943. So this instance was down, not graceful shutdown. So some reason, the reason behind is the instance got shut down. So let's try starting up your instance now, as the instance is not up now. You can see it's connected to the ideal instance. Now fix it by trying with startup. This was a process termination happened due to the server got shut down, got bounced. We can see a lot of process got terminated. These too many process got terminated. The reason behind the server got restarted without proper shutdown of your database. But instance got not started on boot. So now we are starting manually to fix this issue as of now. And we'll see, try to connect your system user. And to verify whether the server got rebooted, the reason behind we can check with the system engineer as well as, or check with var log messages in the Linux. The reason behind system got rebooted or anyone rebooted manually the server. If it is graceful shutdown, you will find the instance got shut down, instance shutdown complete. but we didn't find that message in the alert log file. Now the instance is up and we can verify. So we'll verify from VDollar database. The database is up and running. So we have fixed where the instance was not available by verifying the instance name from the alert log file, the reason behind, and we started. So Oracle not available in the sense the instance is down, so we need to start the instance. Okay, so done with this, guys. Thank you.